Hello everyone, I'm Jules. Today I will show you an absolute beginner guide to candle making in your own home. Like this, it looks and smells just as good as a professional candle that you can buy in store. I really hope you're gonna enjoy it. This is the latest ToAuto candle wax melter. Now let's have a try. First I'm gonna open the lid this way and you're gonna put all the wax into the container. And then we can put back the lid. You set your temperature to 80 degrees and then it will take 10 minutes to melt the wax completely. Okay, now 5 minutes passed. I'm gonna take the long spoon, open the lid first, and I'm gonna stir all the wax a little bit. Okay, now 10 minutes passed by and the wax been half completely melted. Now I'm gonna put all the liquid into this container. So you need to turn the stainless steel bowl this way very slowly. Now let's make our own candle. So in the first time I'm gonna take the little stick. This is the part that's gonna burn. And I'm gonna take a sticker, put it at the bottom this way. Oh, very good. We're gonna put it into the container and put this part to let it stable, and I'm gonna put the liquid into. I can also fill in other kind of candle. Let's do it one by one. This machine is very easy to use to make your own candle at home. You can decorate it as you want, make a lot of different shapes as those one, and it's very easy to DIY with this ToAuto machine.